Welcome to the exciting world of Albakio International. Can you please tell me in which month is your birthday? Well, Ali celebrates his birthday in June. Nida celebrates her birthday in February. And Salman celebrates his birthday in October. Dear kids, remember that there are 365 days in a year. And there are 12 months in a year. January, cold month. February, in this month we experience the fall of the leaves. March, wow. April, May, June, hot season. July, August, September, October, November, and December, end of the year. So, according to this table, the first month of the year is January and the last month of the year is December. Very good. Now tell me, when did Pakistan come into being? Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947. Great. Now take good care of yourself and try to learn the spelling of the names of the months.